I am a product reviewer at heart. So if you enjoy product reviews and learning about new tools, new gear within this space, then definitely make sure to subscribe. Now, today we're looking at the KentFaith, or KentFaith as most people know them. This is a brand new battery charger. Now, this is what's exciting about this, right? So I own competitors. I own these, which have been I guess those were the talk of the town this past year, but I'm really excited about this, and this should take care of some issues that I have with those. I'm also trying out their brand new, and this is their Nano X series lens filter, and this is brand new. And if most people know about KNF or KentFaith because of their filters. So this isn't the only videos that I'm going to do on these particular products. I want to get them open and kind of talk about the quality, put them through some first impressions and go from there. But then I'm also going to do some longer lasting impressions. So this comes with a nice little, this is a nice little pouch. Really nice. Feels good. And then that holds the manual, so that comes in here. Okay, that's just some more manuals. This is the charger itself, and that it's plastic. It's definitely plastic, but that's not something that I mind at all. So let's take that off. All right, and then so the nice thing about this is that there is what's nice about this is that this gets 18 watts of charging power. Inside of here, you get a USB-C to USB-C cable, so that's expected there as part of the charging package. But what's nice about this little kit here is that you also get two aftermarket Z100 or third-party aftermarket car industry third-party Z100 batteries. Batteries right there. Take a look at that. And then we're going to plug this in and get some juice into it. So right here I have, that's over 18 watts. And so you can see the display there automatically shows that it's starting to charge. That's 17, so it's 18, okay, 18%. So right now it is 647. So like I said, 647, 648 on the screen there. It's been exactly 30 minutes. It's been exactly 30 minutes basically, and in that 30 minutes we went from 18% to 56% on these two particular batteries. Now the nice thing about this, the reason that I'm super excited is that you can take this base, pull this down and separate it like that, and so now I can put this in my bag and carry it with me. And what I really like about that is that I can just grab these batteries. They seem pretty secure, so they're not gonna like fall out unless, I'm shaking it pretty hard. You can see I'm not, I hate when YouTubers fake shake stuff, but if you shake it hard enough, it will come out. But this feels really good. You can just reach it in there and grab it, and then when you bring it back to the house, you have this thing plugged in here, and you put this back on the charger. Now it's gonna take me some time to get used to that motion of putting that on there, but I like that. And then if it's not plugged in, you hit the switch there, and then it will tell you what the power is on the battery. So you'll still have a display even when it's not plugged in, so you know how much power is in the batteries if you keep this whole thing intact. So I like that a lot. What I like about this version is that when I use this one, which is the Yano one, this is the one that blew up. Everybody loves this one, and it is nice. It has a built-in battery, so you can take it with you. Like, I'm not one to knock products if it's not necessary, to just try to make one look better. This one has some good features too. But what really sucks about this is that when you need to move fast, it can be really hard to grab these batteries. Look at the top, and I'm not exaggerating. I'm trying to grab it. It takes time to grab that. So I'm like focusing right now to grab that, right? And I'm turning it up inside down, but imagine this being in your bag and you trying to say, okay, I need a battery real quick. because the battery died and you have to hurry up and grab one. This is me realistically trying to grab a battery, and like I got it down to a science now. You push one down with your thumb and you grab the other one, but even still sometimes it gets caught. And so that's what I love about this style, is that I'll be able to just literally grab it and because there are times when I'm because like I said, I do sports videography and photography. There are times when I'm watching a basketball game or something like that and the battery dies and you hurry up, and I got it down to a science. Left thumb, reach in the battery, switch it, throw it in there, put the other one back in the bag. But again, when you're dealing with that crap, you miss some things and it happens really fast. So I'm excited to try this one out a little bit more, and overall there's some really cool features on these. There's 2600 milliamp batteries that come along with the package. Price is $79.99 retail on their website, and then of course it's one of those things where it's probably going to go on sale at some point. I'll put links in the description below. Those will be affiliate links. Thanks for checking them out. If you do purchase something, of course, I get we say kickback, but it's commission at no extra charge to you. So thank you for supporting the channel if you do that. KentFaith was nice enough to send these out, but as always, it's an honest and transparent, consumer-focused buyer review. I like these so far. I like the feel. These do feel super lightweight. It is plastic, doesn't feel chintzy or anything like that. But I do like it. I would say that this one feels more solid and robust, but for ease of use and user experience, I like this setup a lot better. So yeah, stay in tune. I'm going to do some more. I'm going to test that out. I'm going to test these batteries out to see how well they do compared to my actual Sony batteries. I know some people don't like using third-party batteries. I don't mind it. If you enjoyed today's content, as I said, I am a product reviewer. I love and enjoy doing product reviews. So you're going to get a lot of that on this channel. Product reviews, you're going to get photography, you're going to get videography, you're going to get different cameras, different lenses, all of those different things. If you enjoy those type of things, consider subscribing, joining the Cozy Coalition. But as always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.